You would not believe.
That's okay. It's hard to say.
Record low high. I think that's what we had today. Temperatures were only in the 50s.
After that, I hope so.
Exactly. Yeah, I've got my tongue all worked up for no reason. But yeah, we were only in the 50s, and that's about 20 degrees
feels
below
good to me.
normal. And you'll like the rain, too.
I love the rain. Come on, baby.
Yes, we want to see the rain at this time of year because chances are in July and August we're not going to be seeing a lot of it or enough of it just because it's hot. During those 2 months of the year, we're in the 100s, and it's kind of gross at that point. But there are benefits to the summer as well, don't get me wrong, and there's benefits to this rainfall. Central, northern counties seeing a few showers here and there. It's lightened up quite a bit, but we still have a few pockets in Cherokee and Houston County near the Crockett area of some moderate rain at times. Let me go ahead and show you what's happening in Tyler and Longview. There's your rain pretty much along into the north of I-20 and to the west of Highway 69. So from Murchison, Brownsboro to Chandler, we're seeing some light rain right now. And folks, we have seen quite a bit as far as those rainfall totals go. Anywhere from 4 to 6 inches across deep East Texas. These are all rainfall guesstimates thanks to Doppler radar, and it does a pretty good job. It measures the intensity of the rain as it's falling, and it estimates how much rain has fallen in a given location. And we've seen anywhere from 3, maybe even up to 5 inches for portions of Rusk and Panola County. And then in the Tyler vicinity, we haven't seen as much, but it's been noticeable, and it's been raining for most of the day today. For example, it's raining right now on our Tyler Skyview. Not raining a lot, or not as much as it was just a few hours ago. We are at 50 degrees right now. Winds are northeast at 13 miles per hour. Everybody in the upper 40s and lower 50s. Marshall is at 49. It's 51 in Nacogdoches. We are at 54 in Lufkin. And as we zoom out, I'll show you why this is happening. We do have a training of showers and thunderstorms, which basically means a lot of rain in a short amount of time over a given location. That location happens to be deep East Texas, but another wave of rain is on the way. That's between San Antonio and Houston right now. So here's Futurecast. Few showers through 9 o'clock. We continue this trend through very early tomorrow morning. And then as we head into about 7, 8 o'clock, still tracking a few showers here and there. And then as we move on into Friday afternoon, we get a little break in the rain, but we could have an isolated shower or two early Saturday morning before we ultimately dry out as we head into Saturday afternoon, and that will set us up for a beautiful Easter weekend. How much rain may we see through Saturday morning? An additional 1 to 3 inches is possible in deep East Texas. We talked about the flood watch. We could very well see additional flash flooding on top of what we've already seen there in deep East Texas since the rain is going to be so heavy. Okay. Easter weekend. This is very important. I know everybody has a lot of plans for the weekend. Friday, Saturday, we're still tracking a few showers, but look at these temperatures. Look how much they change. 56 Friday, 68 Saturday, and then back into the middle 70s for your Sunday. And if you're getting up early for your Easter sunrise worship, temperatures are going to be in the lower 50s with partly cloudy and cool conditions. So if the Easter service is outdoors, which most of them are, I would have that blanket handy just in case you do get a little cold, because it's going to be a little cooler than what we've been used to over the last few weeks. Temperature-wise, we'll be at 56 Friday, 68 Saturday, 75 Sunday, 76 Monday, upper 70s, lower 80s Tuesday and Wednesday, with another shower or two around Thursday. And then as we look at deep East Texas, similar deal, 50s and 60s for your Friday and Saturday. Easter Sunday, highs in the 70s, approaching 80 again by the middle part of next week. Neil?
All right, now yesterday